This past Thursday, October 8th, 2020, the president of the University of Kentucky, Eli Capilouto, declared that all students who live on campus or have an on-campus presence are required to get a flu shot. They highly recommended that the staff also get a flu shot, but it was not mandatory. President Capilouto said that our guiding principle throughout this pandemic has been to ensure the health, safety, and well-being of our campus community. However, President Capilouto did not take into account the possible repercussions and other issues that come along with this. In August, Massachusetts public health officials mandated flu shots for all students under the age of 6 months. This action led to legal issues and protests throughout the state. The CDC has recommended that all students and staff inside schools get a flu vaccine, as it is very important and could potentially save healthcare resources for COVID-19 patients. Some students and parents have expressed concerns about the availability of flu shots, including those who don't have insurance or the funds to pay for it. The university has announced that they will start the Big Blue Flu Clinic starting on October 11th. From 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., students will be allowed to come in and get free flu shots. Some parents are concerned and frustrated with the president's decision, saying that this decision is a healthcare decision that should be between a doctor and a patient, not a mandate by a public university that has received thousands of dollars for their students' education. Michael Franklin from Louisville, Kentucky, whose daughter attends the University of Kentucky, said that parents were blindsided and that for some people this decision is not a big deal, but for others they have experienced anecdotal evidence from flu shots themselves and from others that have caused them to take caution from taking another shot. Some of the side effects of flu shots can be Guillain-Barré, which is a chronic disease that leaves you paraplegic or in some cases can cause death. President Capilouto ensures that he has the university's best interest in mind, saying that this is one more step in honoring that principle by helping to mitigate and manage the spread of seasonal flu, which many experts fear will be even worse this year as we continue to grapple with COVID-19. Thanks to President Capilouto, some students will now be able to get free flu shots. However, there are a few students who could have serious consequences from obtaining a flu shot.